Hi everybody, Elizabeth here from Petals and Parchment. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing the prize drawing for Junetober 2025 YouTube Hop Challenge. In order to win this prize, which includes a year's subscription in my shop and a custom themed kit of your choice, you had to watch everyone's video every day, subscribe to each creator, like the video, leave a comment, and then send me your board. So all of the people that have done that, I've entered into a drawing. Before we get started, I want to do a flip through of my journal and thank everyone for participating in this event. It was a spectacular event and I have so many things to prepare now in time for Halloween. It's going to be so much fun to continue using these papers and following all of these creators, some that are new to me too. So it's really exciting when you find someone new that you love and you can check in with them and follow what they're doing. So I'm just like so in love with this journal. It turned out so cool. Check this out. I want to give a huge shout out to all the designers that participated and gave us these generous, amazing, incredible kits to work with. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. I couldn't even keep up really. It was just so much fun. I hope everybody has really enjoyed this and found some new fun creators to follow. Junetober is just the best, isn't it? A big thank you to Natty Amber for creating Junetober and inviting me to play along, and a humongous thank you to Christina and Tracy and the design team over at the Paper Bee Creative, Lottie's Magic Attic. These are just some insanely talented people who put their whole heart and soul into this event for everyone. I hope that you can tell by all the love that went into it how much we enjoyed putting this event together for you. The goodies just kept coming and coming. It's just so much fun. I still have a little bit of work left to do in this journal. It turned into a huge gator mouth, but I'm just in love with the way that it turned out. And most importantly, I had a blast putting it together because all I had time for was about a page a day. So I just printed the pages that spoke to me from each kit and then just played with those each day. And this is the final result. I'm just so thrilled with it and I had so much fun. Like I said, I've got a few more things to do. Oh, these are my earrings that I made. How cute are those? I've got a few more pages here to finish in the back. I ran out of time. It's been such a crazy month, but so much fun. So thanks for going through that journal with me. And what are we all here for? The drawing. Yes. So without further ado, let's see who our winner is. Okay, good luck everybody. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Esther Helmia. Congratulations, Esther. You're the winner. Please contact me through my email, petalsandparchment@outlook.com, or send me a message through Messenger. You could also contact me through Ko-fi. There's lots of ways to get a hold of me. Congratulations, Esther Helmia. You have won a year's subscription to the Petals and Parchment Papery and a custom kit of your choice, which will be the featured membership kit in the papery in an upcoming month. And I just want to say thank you once again to everybody. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you love Junetober, and we'll see you next year. Until then, stay spooky. Bye!